Testosterone. It's the hormone that makes men men. Higher testosterone levels are linked to increased muscle mass, bone density, libido, and confidence. As men age, their testosterone production naturally declines, leading to unwanted symptoms like low energy, increased body fat, reduced muscle tone, and lower sex drive. The good news is there are lifestyle changes and natural supplements you can use to give your testosterone levels a boost. In this post, I'll go over the top proven ways to increase your testosterone and restore your vitality. Let's dive in. Exercise and lift heavy weights. Exercise, especially strength training, is one of the most effective natural ways to increase testosterone. Lifting heavy weights using compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses signals your body to ramp up testosterone production. This helps build muscle, torch fat, and improves performance. Aim to do full body workouts focusing on the big lifts 2 to 4 times per week. Keep your rest periods short, about 1 to 2 minutes between sets. Lift challenging weights in the 6 to 12 rep range. As you get stronger, gradually increase the load to continually challenge your muscles. Finish workouts with some high-intensity interval training for an extra testosterone kick. Compound lifts cause your muscles to release testosterone while also stimulating testosterone production in the testes. The more muscle you build from proper training, the higher your baseline testosterone levels will be. Make strength training a priority if you want major T gains. Optimize your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is crucial for testosterone production. Studies demonstrate that men with sufficient vitamin D levels have significantly higher testosterone than men deficient in this essential vitamin. Make sure you get at least 15 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight daily. This allows your body to synthesize vitamin D from sun exposure. Take a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement providing around 3,000–5,000 IU per day. Get your blood levels tested to verify you reach the optimal range of 40 to 70 nanograms per milliliter. Fixing a vitamin D deficiency can boost T levels by up to 25%. Make sure your vitamin D status is on point to support healthy testosterone synthesis. Sunshine and supplementation are your best bets here. Lose the extra body fat. Being overweight or obese crushes testosterone. The more total body fat you carry, the more aromatase enzyme your body produces. Aromatase converts testosterone into estrogen, lowering T levels. By losing the extra fluff through proper nutrition and exercise, you reduce aromatase activity. This translates into higher testosterone output and reduced estrogen formation. Even losing 10 to 15 pounds can cause your T levels to surge. Aim to get your body fat percentage below 15% if you really want your testosterone to take off. Follow a healthy, high-protein diet with a moderate calorie deficit to shed the pounds while maintaining muscle mass. The leaner you get, the better your hormonal profile will look. Avoid estrogen-mimicking compounds. Many synthetic chemicals behave like estrogen in the body by binding to estrogen receptors. The more you're exposed to these xenoestrogens and endocrine disruptors, the more they can lower your T production. Avoid plastics as much as possible, especially those containing BPA and phthalate. Minimize intake of conventionally raised animal products as they contain synthetic hormones and other chemicals. Carefully select health and beauty products to avoid parabens, phthalate, and other hormone-disrupting ingredients. Also, thoroughly wash produce to remove pesticide residue. By decreasing your exposure to artificial estrogens, your natural testosterone can run higher. Take proven herbal supplements. Certain herbs and natural compounds have been scientifically validated to enhance testosterone levels. Some of the most effective testosterone-boosting supplements include Tomcat Alley, shown to boost T by 37% in active males. Also improves libido. Ashwagandha, reduces cortisol by 30%. High cortisol suppresses testosterone. Ashwagandha lowers stress and anxiety. Forskolin increases testosterone by 34% by raising camp levels. Also encourages fat loss. D. Aspartic acid increases testosterone production and sperm health. Research indicates it raises T levels by 42% after 12 days. Zinc. This mineral is essential for testosterone synthesis. Take 30 to 45 milligrams per day. Magnesium supports over 300 enzymes related to testosterone production. Take 500 milligrams daily. These natural supplements promote healthy testosterone status without negative side effects. Take them consistently to amplify your T and reduce estrogen activity. Optimize your sleep habits. Not getting enough quality sleep depresses testosterone and raises cortisol. Follow proper sleep hygiene recommendations to support healthy hormone levels. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Maintain a consistent bedtime, wake time. Avoid screen use before bedtime. Make your bedroom cool, dark and quiet. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, etc. Take magnesium, zinc, and glycine before bed. Improve your sleep quality and testosterone levels will thank you. Focus on optimizing both duration and efficiency of sleep to maximize your male hormone output. Reduce stress and control cortisol. When you're stressed out, your body secretes more cortisol. Cortisol is a catabolic hormone that inhibits testosterone synthesis. Managing daily stress along with proper rest keeps cortisol levels low, removing this roadblock to higher T. Use stress-reducing tactics like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and adequate leisure time in your schedule. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and ginseng calm your stress response. Keeping cortisol under control is crucial for healthy testosterone function. Lower stress through lifestyle adjustments while supplementing with cortisol-modulating adaptogens. Avoid alcohol or minimize consumption. Drowning yourself in alcoholic beverages on a regular basis depresses testosterone production. Alcohol intake decreases zinc absorption and interferes with vitamin A, both of which are essential for robust T levels. Chronic alcohol use also impacts the liver, decreasing its ability to properly metabolize hormones. Excessive consumption destroys testicular Leydig cells critical for testosterone synthesis. If you're going to drink, do so occasionally and in moderation. Stick to 1 to 2 low-calorie drinks max per day. Completely avoiding alcohol may offer the biggest T boost for heavy drinkers. Moderation is key. Increase intake of T-boosting fats. Consume more healthy unsaturated fats that are building blocks for testosterone. Research shows diets higher in monounsaturated fats, MUFAs, like nuts, olive oil, and avocado boost T. Polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and supplements like fish oil also play a role in keeping testosterone levels high. Avoid trans fats and excessive omega-6 PUFAs from processed oils as these depress testosterone. Getting more anti-inflammatory fats from plant and marine sources gives your body the raw materials needed for optimizing testicular hormone production. Reduce sugar consumption. Eating too much refined sugar causes insulin spikes, which over time can negatively affect testicular Leydig cell function. High sugar intake is linked with lower T. Cut out sugary beverages like soda and juice. Limit sweets, candy, pastries, and desserts. Follow a low glycemic diet focused on healthy whole foods, lean proteins, fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats. Controlling your blood sugar and insulin through a sensible diet based on real foods is key for keeping testosterone in the normal range long-term. Maximizing your testosterone levels naturally not only improves libido, confidence, strength, and vitality, but supports everything from brain function to heart health. It's the crucial hormone that literally makes you into a man. Just implementing a few of these tips can produce great results. Combining the diet, exercise, and lifestyle factors that support robust testosterone will help you achieve inspiring gains. Now you know exactly how to increase testosterone naturally and safely. Here's to unleashing your inner alpha and achieving higher T.